Originally, I was going to apply at TAFE, or I was looking around to upskill myself. And then in my emails, I got the scholarship application and I thought, why not? The QPP scholarship was a really good opportunity to provide an even better learning experience for the children.
If it wasn't for the scholarship, I probably wouldn't have done my Bachelor, because without the support and knowledge and guidance, I don't think I would have done it. I found that it was amazing, helped with pracs, because not being able to get paid while you were on prac was really hard. So that support incentive was really good. Also, the mentoring sides of it and supporting others, as well as resources, and then just being able to set aside study time. That was probably a big one for me, was trying to fit in when to do study.
The first year I chose the work paid study time, which helped me a lot. And then this year I chose the pay where I work at home instead of doing it through work hours. The scholarship helped provide an opportunity to be financially stable and the work-life balance. At first, I was really struggling a bit because I've been out of school for a while, wasn't used to the study. But TAFE actually brought in a teacher for me to help understand the assignment, which really helped me.
The QPP scholarship, I think it's a great opportunity for staff like myself to further develop their career if they want to do the diploma. It's an easier option to do it through the workplace. The scholarship has helped me financially and has helped me to upskill. Goodstart has provided the finance, and when I completed it, I got an incentive for completing the certificate free. If someone was considering the scholarship, I would say go for it.
It's been a great opportunity. I've learnt more doing it, and I feel like I've become more confident in myself and my knowledge on how to run a room, or if someone's away, I can do the programming and the planning and work more closely with the children because I have that knowledge because of it.
To graduate with a Bachelor feels really good. If someone was thinking of applying for the scholarship, I would definitely support them to do it. Hands down, has been an amazing tool and resources whilst studying.